Hi everyone, how is going? In today's video, I will discuss about IP address and event time tracking through Google Tag Manager, and we can use it for many cases. For example, we can use it for Facebook pixel, Snapchat pixel, TikTok pixel, and many cases. So let's get started. We need 3 JavaScript code to set the full process. At first, we need a JavaScript to set the IP address on the local storage. Then we need another JavaScript to get the IP address from the local storage. Then we also need a JavaScript for event time tracking. So at first we will set up the first JavaScript to set the IP address on the local storage. So this one will do the setup. So let me copy the first one, this one. So let me copy and paste on the GTM. On the variable we have to use custom JavaScript variable. So let me do it, JavaScript custom, yeah, this one. Let me paste it here. Then we will use the same name. We can use any name, but I will use this one. So yeah, then this script will set our IP address on the local storage. Then I will use second JavaScript to get the IP address from the local storage. So let me use the custom JavaScript, then just copy and paste, nothing else. Yeah, and I will also use the same name. Again, you can use any name here, save it. Okay, now I will also set up event time. So let me do it, new, then event time. This one also JavaScript, custom JavaScript, just copy and paste it. Okay, now save it. Now let me preview and test it. So preview. Okay, it is loading. Okay, nice, it is connected. Now let me click on the window loaded and check the variable IP address. Okay, it is getting the IP address, but actually my IP address is not IPv6, that's why I don't see it. But let me check also the event time. The event time, where it is, yeah, event time is working. Nice. Now we can send the data to the GA4, Facebook pixel, and another platform as a parameter. Okay, but actually GA4 doesn't allow IP address, so we will not send the IP address to GA4. Just I will send the event time to the GA4 as a parameter, but I cannot send the IP address as a parameter because GA4 doesn't allow it. So let me do it. User property, event parameter, then just event time. Yeah, event time. I can also send the IP address, but as GA4 doesn't allow it, so I will not send it. Same process, just you have to use the parameter name, for example IP address, then send the variable. So this one is IP6 address here, but I will not do it. But you can use it for the Facebook pixel, then maybe TikTok, then Snapchat, and any platform you can use it. So let me delete this one, just send the first one. And I have this event setup. This is actually the WordPress from submission, so I will test it using this event. Yeah, then preview, and actually this event is capturing contact us page from submission, this one. So let me test it and check the data on the GA4. Yeah, the GA4 we have to go to the debug view. So debug view, nice. Okay, now let me test it. Yeah, test, then send. Okay, we should get it on the debug view. Let me check, just a minute, it is coming. It is not firing. Maybe let me, it's fired. This one. Okay, it's fired. Okay, I should, yeah, I got it. So generate lead, in here I should see the event time. Yeah, this one I see it is working perfectly. Great. So we have successfully set up the IP address tracking and the event time tracking, and we can use it for many use cases. Alright, I hope you got all my point, but if you have any question you can comment me, or if you need help you can schedule a call with me, or you can send a message on WhatsApp. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching the full video.